Hello children, it's story time and I'm going to tell you one of your favorite stories, The Cap Seller and Monkeys. Once upon a time, there was one cap seller. He used to carry a big bag of caps and he used to walk around and sell it to people. One day, he was traveling by a jungle. It was a hot, sunny summer day. So, he decided to take some rest. He saw a big, beautiful, shady tree and he thought that wow, this is a good place to rest. So he put his bag down and he sat down. Slowly, he fell asleep. You know who lived on that tree? A bunch of monkeys. When they saw that the cap seller has a big bag, they became curious. What's inside this bag? So they came down the trees and they opened the bag and put on the cap and went back up the tree. After a while, the cap seller woke up. It was a nice nap. It's time to go home. So he looked for his bag and he said, "Oh, my bag is empty. Where are the caps? What happened to my caps? Where are they?" He looked here and there and everywhere, but he could not find them. As soon as he looked up at the tree, he saw the monkeys wearing those caps and giggling. The cap seller got angry. "Please give my caps back." The monkeys could not understand anything. They were just laughing and having fun. So the cap seller started to think of an idea. How do I get my caps back? So he came up with an idea. He picked up one stone and he threw at the monkeys. The monkeys loved to mimic what the cap seller was doing. So they also picked up something from the tree and threw at the cap seller. The cap seller was surprised. He put his arms on his waist and started looking. The monkeys also copied the same thing. Whatever the cap seller was doing, the monkeys were doing the same thing. The cap seller was so tired. He's like, "What should I do? What should I do?" He had an idea. He picked up his cap and he threw it on the ground. The monkeys did the same thing. They also picked up their caps and threw it on the ground. The cap seller was so happy. He collected all his caps, put them inside the bag, said bye-bye to monkey and went on his way. Bye.